Dear students, today we are going to discuss about a topic which is very important and that will tell us about evolution of computers. Means today in generation what type of computers we are using and what type of computers were used in early ages. So this is in chapter number 1 for class 5th and the chapter names will be here, evolution of computers. So if I tell you about the computers which were developed in early ages, what type of computers were that? Then if I say to you all, when the computers in starting were invented, at that time that were very big in size and that were very costly and that were also not easy to operate by any other one. Only scientists or only computer engineers or computer programmers were able to work onto the computers, not any other one. So we will start our journey of computers from the early ages, what type of computers were invented and what type of computers we are using today's in generation. So in first, if I tell you about the computer, this name that we all time ask about the computer, from where this computer term was come out. So this computer is word has been taken out from the word that is compute, and the means of compute is here for calculation. This compute means is what? That is calculation. It means that the device or any electronic device that is used to perform any type of calculations are known as computers. So if you talk about the first thing that was used to do the calculations or mathematical calculations, what type of things or what type of devices were used at that time. So in starting, if you talk about 3000 BC, abacus name, the name of here that is abacus, such type of device was invented in China for doing the calculations of mathematics. It is made up of wooden frame with rods and each having beads. The frame of this abacus device was divided into two parts. First top part were called as heaven and second lower part were called earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each earth has 5 beads. Such type of devices were used to do the calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplications, divisions. And this type of device were only operated by the users who were more skilled to operate such type of device. Now if you talk about the next device that has come into the existence, that was Pascal adding machine, and this device was a type of machine. Means that first abacus device was only the mechanical device, but this Pascal was just first machine that was used to calculate the mathematical equations. So in 1642, a scientist was there whose name was Blaise Pascal and who has invented this Pascal adding machine. This machine was having different types of gears, different types of wheels and different types of dial keys, as you can see here. And if I give you examples where that type of devices were used, so an example is here that is for taximeter. This Pascal machine were having there some limitations, means that this Pascal device was used only to do the calculations for addition and subtractions. But after some time, in 1671, a new scientist has come and he has invented a new machine that was known as Leibniz machine. So a German mathematician whose name was Leibniz has invented a machine. That machine was the improved version of Pascal adding machine. And in this machine we were able to do the calculations for addition, subtraction, and with these two, multiplication, division, and to find the root values. So means that when we have developed the first machine, that was abacus, that was a only mechanical device where wooden part were used for physical body. But in case of Pascal adding machine, we have used iron materials to making a machine where we have used some gears, wheels and other dials like that, and that machine was only to find out the addition and subtractions. But in 1671, A new scientist, Leibniz, has developed a new machine which was the improved version for Pascal, where we were able to do calculations for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square root. So these were the three types of machine or calculating devices that were developed in initial ages, in early ages, and next devices we will discuss in next video.